Well, Daryn had a camera all week, so we'll see what kind of video footage we get from that. Stick around and see what we got done. Well, it's Monday, about 4:30. Old girl's pulled out. She's going to get shined up. Thank God I ain't got to do it, because that's a lot of diamond tread to polish. Well, made it to Daryn's, got the truck dropped off so they can start on that tomorrow. He went like gangbusters last night. Got this aluminum all on there, got them doors done, got that panel on. It's looking good. Got the outlet box mounted, got the cabinet in for a refrigerator. It's looking good. Looking good. Hopefully hitting the home stretch. Hopefully. Trying to clean up our mess. You want me to scrub it with the broom, or you just want to?
It's like auto.
Maybe that's how Doug got smashed between the wall.
No. You know how many times I've cleaned the black off that handle?
A bunch.
You watch it. This thing's got a nice sweet spine.
You should have called Tyler over here. He could probably tell you how to operate that even better.
What? Yeah. I don't know, I think Plot has to do manual shit. Oh yeah.
Shiny new broom handle.
Right.
I might slide out.
No.
Huh?
You can bring it to me. There you go.
Yeah, I just had to slide it out so I could get
could grab it.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's go. Because the table's going across the bottom, right?
Right, yeah.
Did you pull the pink off the backside?
No, I left that on. I didn't know if you wanted it all or not for the future.
You're probably gonna want it up. Hey, well, it's a good thing you're not taping it. That way, when you gotta pull it back apart, fix your airline, it's easier.
Well, there you go. See, there's always a mate. Where's your Sharpie? Yeah. Did you have a Sharpie? Or did I have it? Here it is. Is it okay to Sharpie, or you're going on the flat?
Look, I don't give a shit what you're doing. I'll go all the way up to this tape.
We'll just, I was gonna say get a line and then. Yeah, you got that one.
Just word from the wise, don't let that drill bit go all the way through.
What do you mean? Just once it hits, yeah.
Yeah, just don't bury the drill bit.
Don't go through the side of the trailer.
Oh, you're in a stud. You're good.
Fuck, man. You're biting me. Don't bury it 2.5.
Is one on top the left one?
Sure didn't feel like using a tube.
What's that?
We ain't riveting that with pink still on there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're doing it good. Why, you did. Everything I took off there had pink around it. I would do, if you want to get your spacing right, I would just go over there, measure your same distance off the ceiling to hold it. Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
And then you, because you want to end with 4 rivets. But
Two.
To come down here.
Yeah, I'd go that one.
And then drill you a hole so we can put a cleco.
Well, I was just going to let you do the straight edge and mark it all.
So we need to divide that by a different number. 28.
Well, hang on, just roll.
Put a hole in there, let's put a cleco in there.
I mean, Jason's got, you got to tie it up. You want it?
I'm tired of being the Statue of Liberty over here.
You got your Sharpie?
Right here.
Hey, word of the wise, don't bury it.
I did it. Okay. Okay. Now you guys can lay it out and I'll drill it and rivet it. Or pull the plastic off. Put the airline on.
You at least marking the fucking one. All right, guys. In all seriousness, we had to let Jason go. Let's be honest, he wasn't really good at this anyway. So A-Team's stepping up. He'll start having videos with me in them, just because, you know, I'm really who you guys want to see, apparently, according to everybody I heard at PRI. So, a couple projects we got going on this week. Got to build out this fixture table for Kyle Laux. Max is on his way out here. We're going to figure that out and get a game plan on it. Hey, guys. Shh. Hauser's also on his way out here. We're going to do some wiring. We're going to come out here and get this cabinet knocked out, get that outlet put in, this other structure back in here, and hopefully get this refrigerator cabinet trimmed out with all that stuff. To be determined here. Got to figure all that out yet. So, all right, guys. Well, welcome to the A-Team. We fired Jason, like I said, and we'll really have some good videos moving forward.
Put it.
Yeah, use that outlet. And then junction box there. And I want to come out of that with Romex, or that BX, not that extension cord shit like Dad wanted to do.
This piece here?
Yeah. Yeah, so do that BX 90. I think you've got one. Yep, perfect. And then we'll run to another. I'll weld a steel box on that, and you can come in the back side of that with that BX. And we'll P-clamp it in. So. Yeah, leave it long.
Yeah, if you need a bunch of 1x3s, I got like a whole fucking stack of them yet. Get out of here.
Put it on Darren.
Well, as a fabricator, sometimes you get in a hurry and you forget to do a bunch of shit. And then you got to redo it all. So that was tonight's steel. Couldn't use my table because we're still finishing that up. But I had to get in here and add the door closure strips, the latch, and then the trailer hitch. So not a bad quick evening. Nobody's out here. It's Wednesday night, so it's a good night to get shit done by yourself when you fuck shit up. So now I gotta carry a couch upstairs for the wife, so that'll be fun. All right. Well, good productive night. I didn't really do any videoing. So I'm probably getting fired next. Probably gonna rehire Jason back, but Dad and I pretty well kicked some ass tonight. We completely got that cabinet in, trimmed out, other than this trim right here, and then this side trim. I gotta locate that hitch, but got all that extra material welded on last night. It painted tonight, and then got it in, countertop mounted, vise mounted, shock vise mounted. Back here, we're gonna build a little shelf out of aluminum to hold wallets, keys, kind of phone chargers, everything, kind of a catch-all. This is the old countertop, so when I cut it, basically when I cut that lip out of it, it got shorter in order for me to get a good flat cut. So we'll just kind of make do with what we got there and make a little catch-all area. Completely got this cabinet done, wired up, TV mounted. Turned out great. The outlets plasma cut it in. Wiring ran. Got the pigtail here. So we'll join it into that outlet there. We're gonna frame this out like S&S does, to where all these walls are sheeted. So we'll just put a box extension in there, run the wiring up, and tie it into that box. Be a simple deal. Got this cabinet completely done for the refrigerator. Extra outlet in for the TV and the Roku. That way this TV is going to power We're actually going to put an HDMI splitter into this and then run an HDMI cord to the back of the trailer. So when we're at the races, we're going to mount that little TV that McCowan had in here, back here somewhere. So while we're watching the races, doing the races, we can kind of keep an eye on the racetrack and qualifying, where people are running and qualifying and stuff like that. So that'll be nice to have that out there, and then we'll only have to project on this TV, and then it'll show up on the TV out there. So that'll make that really nice. I know it's way overkill, but while we're doing it, it's easy to do. So might as well get it done and do it right. So that'll be it for tonight. I'm sure this will be it for the video series. Jason's coming out Saturday to kind of do some stuff, and I'm sure he'll grab this camera and kind of, we'll rehire him for the video and stuff. This is my one and only week, so see how it goes. Thanks, guys.
Full house. That car is not ours. And that one is Chad Zober's car that Daryn put a body on 2 years ago, and it's never left. Been getting some comments about it. That one was back over there. And that one come off the jig about 20 cars later than that one did. This is going back with us today. Trying to burn the thing down.
All junk.
Junk. It's all junk. Running the hose from that in there.
Why is this fucking thing quitting?
Battery's dead. Pulled one out of the drawer, it was dead too.
That happens. What are we doing?
You got her torque.
Do it. I feel like it's that.
Almost.
Damn it.
Doug's out here figuring miter so we cut trim.
Hey, the same trim.
It'd be this way. Same trim.
This is alongside. This was your right fit in there?
Yep, it goes just like this, and then that trim comes off this way and goes that way. So it's got to match up with that miter.
Okay, hold that.
Is that a good piece?
No, this junk piece. This was a junk piece that I'm using as a template to find out if, to get the right angle.
We just held on to it.
Gotta go up against that. Maybe that way. Yeah, but you're lifting it up that way. I'm gonna keep. There.
Still not right. You're gonna have to go more.
Really?
It's not a 90.
You're at 30 degrees, Doug Klein. Now do it.
Okay.
That's much better.
Okay, just gotta file it off just to fit. Screw that one back up there and I'll file it off and see how it is. Then I'll cut this one.
All right. Yeah, she's shined up. These freaking battery boxes look like chrome, and things are awesome. It's Saturday the 21st, and we're out here getting after it. Supervisor 1 and 3. George even made it out.
That's right.
Just when I thought I was done polishing, he's coming up with more shit for me to polish.
Just go ahead and jump on that bitch. Jump it like on your Lizzo.
Beautimus.
Yeah. Nice, good cut. All right, now let's go fucking finish the story off. It's not going to be a popular opinion.
One step forward, 2 steps back to get 3 steps forward.
But I think we need to remove that white panel going down the bottom side of that cabinet, pull it out, shear it here, and then we'll just have a new runner panel for the rest of that. It's probably, I mean, it's a little bit more work, but let's just do it.
What do you think, Ava? What do you think? Shit. Making sparks fly.
I got close. That's all the fucking tape.
Yeah. Sweet. Oh, it's fabulous.
Can you do a little editing, slim me down a little bit?
Camera takes off 20 pounds, right? We got gung ho on our trim up there, huh?
The trim's not hurting us. It's my shit's hurting us.
Black pink. Match this sheet metal. Push it. Push it. Push it. Power tight. Wait.
So now what's the game plan?
Well, we're gonna get this panel off of here, and then probably this panel off of here.
David's over by the neighbors. Is she okay to roam around?
No.
She don't listen where the fuck.
She takes after her dad.
Give your number back
You want me to just whack it?
Yeah. You. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa! Watch this fucking ceiling over here.
Well,
What do you want me to do, Max?
Cut this fucker in half.
I need this. I need this wall. I don't want to cut this in half. This is a good wall. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need that. I need this front. I don't need this. But I do need this structure right here. This square.
Can we tilt it? And keep it up in this opening? So
no.
Get this out?
It's this side that Max is yelling at me about.
I know.
Yeah. That side far enough down. I was gonna say, if you get this in that hole, I'll beat this side down.
Yeah,
Go for it.
You go around there, can you get everybody burgers? I gotta get home.
Want more room? I can come this way.
Yeah, I got a little more.
That's good. You get it right? Bingo, bango.
Okay.
What?
We're good. This is fucking great. Now he can run his fucking airline without being a douchebag.
It's fine. It's already ready.
Yeah, it's ready. Okay.
I mean, if you would have just planned this out.
What do you want to do here?
We probably need to go your way. I pull the rugs up.
Yeah, pull all them up.
That's just leave that cabinet out. That'll be Jethro's spot to
We're not
stand.
gonna be able to make it past the door opening.
Door opening there. Well, they got it in here, guys. So the I can'ts is not like possible because
Hey, I'm
they
saying,
didn't build the motherfucker in
Turn
here.
this thing 90 and see if we can do the tilt, if it'll fit in that opening that way.
All right, hey, Ron. Well, again, how did they get it through the door? They're saying it didn't come through the door.
Well, they probably didn't have that trim piece on.
What trim piece on?
That goes over the top of the opening
Like this,
back there.
bro.
God damn.
What will we do without Coop here?
That wasn't me.
That was him. I saw it too. You know, rotate it this way so you're not.
Just drag it down all of the cabinets.
So successfully only fuck the roof.
One step forward, 3 steps back.
Good thing the airline was such a priority.
Wow.
Yeah, got that out so we can cut all this apart.
Yeah, when I drilled
Or that roll-up
through
door.
that stainless top for that hole, I fucked it up.
Yeah, I normally don't like that.
Maximus is cleaning the carpets. TV looks good mounted there. We got all the ceiling trim up today. This is ready for the door to go on. Got the switch covers back on. Didn't put this one up obviously because I gotta take that out, build something. Getting closer. This needs to stay in the trailer.
Yeah. Actually fixed the door here.
I got my carpet cleaner at the store. I was going to clean these rugs, and then he took them and put them out here so that you just get jacked up.
I know, like.
Why would you put these in while all the construction's going on? Out of cord.
Damn it.
It's definitely in the back.
Well, she's back home. And battery boxes look like chrome. Did a good job on it.
Man, it's got a frickin' train horn underneath your.
Yeah, I knew that.
Man.
That's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. Darren's going to try and take a more active role. We'll see how that goes. And we want to wish every one of you Merry Christmas. And we will catch you all probably next year. Won't be any work going on this week or not much next week either.